Good morning, good morning. It is Friday, and today we are going to put down floors in my new house. So, with that being said, it's a rainy day, but let me tell you about yesterday, Thursday. I finished painting the master bedroom, which will be my beauty room, and the master bedroom bathroom. Oh, excuse me. I just finished drinking isogenic shake. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so in the master bedroom, 2 walls I didn't paint because they will be accent walls, which will be a light gray. And then the same thing in the bathroom. It's going to be a light gray. I don't know if I want to do towel because the wall, man, this bathroom, the people that painted over wallpaper with the yellow paint didn't do a very good job, because the stuff, when I paint over the paint, yellow paint, it wasn't drying. When it dries patchy still, and I'm using good kind of paint, sort of kind of, but the fact that it's a primer paint, it's just not drying because you're just painting over, what was it, semi-gloss walls. So it really wasn't holding on certain parts of the bathroom. So what I'm gonna do is either put tile, or I don't want to do any more wallpaper or contact paper. Wallpaper and contact paper are 2 different things. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna see what it looks like when I do the light gray in the bathroom, see if it'll hold, because I'm gonna use a different type of paint. Might be bears, I don't know yet. But anyway, so I did that, and the floor in the kitchen, no, the floor in the dining room, half of the living room has been pulled up already. So today, Friday, I am doing my kitchen floor. Yay! I'm putting down the tile on the kitchen floor. So I'm gonna just give y'all snippets and snippets of it, because it's gonna be hard to just film all of it, because I need to concentrate on the floor, because I have to measure and put down and blah blah blah. So with that being said, happy Friday. We doing the kitchen today, and the kitchen, full kitchen thing. No, it should be, because it's not that much of a floor. So the kitchen floors will be done now, and I will show you snippets. I'm not going to give you the real the viewing of the kitchen will be coming soon. I'm just not going to show you how I'm doing my kitchen, because I need y'all to see the kitchen upgrade. Today is July 4th. August 4th. Why can't... So today is August 4th, and I will be doing the kitchen. Ta-da! So thank you for watching. This is your girl, Tara Love Diva. This video will be uploaded tomorrow. So stay tuned for when